Hello, so today I will be covering the portion of the brain called the amygdala. It's in the limbic system. Um, so it's adjacent to the hippocampus. Its main function is the involvement in processing emotions and fear learning. It links areas of the cortex that process higher um, cognitive information with hypothalamic and brainstem systems that control the lower metabolic responses, for example, touch, pain, and respiration. This allows the amygdala to coordinate physiological responses based on cognitive information, for example, the flight or fight response. So current research, many studies have linked autism with amygdala dysfunction. The lack of empathy often shown by autistic individuals has associated with the amygdala. Neural activity in the amygdala has also been strongly linked to depression and bipolar disorder. There is very strong evidence linking post-traumatic stress disorder with amygdala responses. Possible effects of damage include behavior and abilities, which are aggression, irritability, loss of control of emotion, disruption in recognizing emotions, and fear in particular. So the next portion of the brain will be the hippocampus, also in the limbic system. What is that? The limbic system. And the location is forebrain structure located within the medial temporal lobe. The hippocampus is a structure in the brain most closely aligned to memory formation. Function, it is important as an early storage place for long-term memory, and it is involved in transitioning of long-term memory to even more enduring permanent memory. The hippocampus also plays an important role in spatial navigation. The current research, classic symptoms of Alzheimer's disease include memory loss and disorientation, both of which have been strongly associated with decline in the hippocampus. There is also evidence linking hippocampal atrophy to depression, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. Associated with the damage is severe memory impairment and disorientation.